Hi guys, so Cavalli Rally sent me my prize. It's probably been a week. I've been really busy. I entered a contest for the Thanksgiving time frame, and they had like a photo contest, and there was about 30 something people that submitted their photos, and whoever got the most likes within a week on Facebook through friends, sharing through different Facebook groups and my Instagram and all that, thanks to my fans, I was able to win this contest. We had both of me and the closest person had over 1,000 votes. Then the next closest person had like 200 votes, and then everyone else had like 2 or 3, maybe 20. So it's awesome. I entered a photo of my 370Z from that Red Royal contest. I mean the Red Royal video shoot from the Cars and Cigars. So what I won, and what's funny is I entered this contest not really thinking. I was just like, oh, let me upload a photo. And then after I uploaded the photo, then I actually realized it was a contest. Like I didn't even realize it was a contest. I just saw like a upload your photo. And because I'm a part of a lot of different car sites. I mean like car clubs and websites and stuff like that. But I won, wow, a $200 value Adams polish detailing kit. I'm sponsored by Meguiar's. So I have so much stuff, and I got this kit like I think 2 years ago. I think I did an unboxing of it. I can't remember, but I got like a lot of stuff. So I don't necessarily need this. But I mean, you can never, I guess, have too many cleaning supplies. Especially the cool part about it is it comes with other stuff like this lovely car wash pad. It comes with the 2-pack cleaning towels. Then it comes with the Great White drying towel, which I love drying towels. They work great. Oh wait, my car's ceramic coated, so I don't really need that either. One of the bottles apparently kind of opened at some point or something because another towel but has some soap on it. Then more and more and more towels, like 1, 2, 3. So it comes with 4 towels. Then you have sponges. Then you have, oh my god, like there's just tons of stuff. Like you have tire shine. I have carpet and upholstery cleaner. You have the all-purpose cleaner. You have all the spray bottle tops, like a lot of tops. Then you have the detail spray, the car shampoo, the buttery wax, the interior detailer, the wheel cleaner, yes, the list goes on, and the glass cleaner. It also comes with the business cards from the detailing company that they got this from, which is Odds and Ends Detailing. And it also has the tray for the bucket. So you sit this in there and it keeps any rocks and stuff like that from getting above into your washcloth and that. So that's everything that this came with. That's awesome. It's a lot of stuff. Yeah, more detailing stuff to fill up my garage, or maybe I'll do my own giveaway. But thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever check out whatever video YouTube recommends. Take care and happy holidays.